Hey guys, welcome back to Alecia at Home. Today we are coming with some decor motivation. It is long past due, you guys, from my channel. If you know, and if you've been here for a while, you know that I like to do decorating and I like to do cleaning. And here lately, I haven't really just gotten to do that like I normally do. So you guys, you're in for a treat today. We're going to be doing over our summer porch decor. So we're going to give it a refresh, you guys, and we're going to breathe some life back into the drab porch that we had before. Again, I hadn't been able to get out there and just really clean it. We did do some power washing of it, so I won't power wash it, but I will rinse off everything and make it nice and sparkly for you guys to see. And also, I'm going to be using a lot of decor that I already had. You guys, you do not have to go out and buy a bunch of decor. Use some things over, rinse those things off, they are still good, and just add a few new little pieces. So in this video, you will also see a haul that I got from a few different places, Dollar General and Walmart, and just a few pieces, you guys, made all the difference in brightening up my porch and making it have lots of curb appeal. So if you like that type of video, you guys, stay tuned for this exciting transformation. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of the video. And you guys, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Also hit all for the notifications so that you can be notified next time I do post. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. So you guys, I just wanted to come and do a quick little haul for you. Things that I picked up to go on my porch and also on my patio, and I'm so excited that I stopped by Dollar General. I saw these cute little faux plants with the little concrete holder. It has stones in there. It's super cute, you guys. $3. Can you believe that? They are so cute to me. I really like them, and I think they're going to make a perfect addition on my porch. So we'll be adding this there as well. I also went ahead and picked up this cute little wicker type basket. It's not a basket, I'm sorry. I picked up this cute little wicker tray. Look how cute this is, and it's very sturdy also. This one was $12 by True Living. Also picked up this one from Dollar General. They gave me a little discount on it as well because there were just a few little nicks on here or whatever. So hey, that's a trick as well. If you see some damage on things in like Dollar General or any store, just ask for a few little discounts on it. Hey, what can it hurt? It can't hurt anything. So you guys, the next item that I found here is this cute little aluminum bistro 2-seater with a table. I picked this up from Amazon. I will definitely link it down below in the description box as well as in the comments if you're interested in this item. And any other items you see in here that I can find, I will link them for you. But you can see my son is here doing a fabulous job putting this together. It was super easy and it is just beautiful. I absolutely love it, and it's going to be the perfect addition to our summer refreshing of our porch. Now what I'm going to do, you guys, is just go ahead and give my porch a nice sweeping and just get off those leaves and extra little dust that has blown over from my garden and flower bed area. We have a very high open here, and for whatever reason it loves to collect lots of dust and little knickknacks because we just recently power washed this entire area, so I don't even know why it is this dirty, honestly. But I am going to go ahead and sweep it down and also spray everything off here just to get any cobwebs off and just make it nice and fresh for you. I wanted to go ahead and take the time to introduce myself just in case you are new here. My name is Alecia and I am a stay-at-home mother of 4. I have and 2 daughters and 2 sons. My oldest son is 18 and just graduated from high school, and my youngest son, which is the youngest of the bunch, is 4 months old, and then my 2 daughters are 3 and 4. And I also homeschool here, so if you like that type of footage, you can also see that here on my channel. But mostly I love to clean, decorate, and anything dealing with home, motherhood, wifehood, and just overall life. So if you like that type of video, you guys, definitely stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, leave a like, hit the notification bell, and select all so that you can be notified for all of the videos that I post. So you guys, this cute little pitcher and cup set, it was a 4-piece cup set. I also picked these items up from Dollar General. They were literally $1 a piece at my Dollar General, and I could not pass it up. I didn't put anything in it, you guys. It's just for decorating right now, but we're definitely going to be putting some lemonade or some tea into these pictures real soon. I absolutely love the way everything is looking. Again, I will leave a link in the description for everything I can find here. Also, the drink you see there, I picked that up at Aldi's, you guys. They have the cutest little Italian sparkling drink. So pick that up from your local Aldi's. Here's the item that I picked up from my local Walmart. It is a Texas breed plant, and I absolutely love it. It was $24.94, and it's a Nurum Orlander. I'm guessing I'm saying that right. No, don't call me on it, but I love it. It's such a rich, full, hardy plant, and it has that beautiful pop of color. I absolutely love it. And you guys, I had an amazing time putting my porch together this year. This is one of my favorite things to do, is to make over my porch. It's just so inviting when someone comes, when I come on my porch, when my husband comes home. It's just the nice, refreshing feeling you want to have when you come onto your porch. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a like, and please comment and let me know your favorite part of this video in this makeover. If you want to see more videos like that, let me know that too in the comments below. Otherwise, just have an amazing day. Stay safe and stay blessed.